Hey guys, some of you asked me, Daniel, what do you do to add volume to your hair? Well, first of all, not all of us are born with great thick hair that has a lot of volume, like me. Most of you realize that I have very thin hair. So, to add volume to my hair, listen up. This is what I do. First, when I need to style my hair, I make it wet with lukewarm water. Second, I use volumizing mousse or sea salt spray and I run it through my hair. 3, I take my hair dryer and I make sure it's not on the hot setting. And then I start to blow my hair. I will slowly blow my hair by lifting it up and blowing it into the style I want. Another great tip, especially if you don't have a lot of time, is to blow it upside down. I always do this when I'm in a hurry. It really works well to add volume to your hair. And lastly, I just add my favorite hair pomade, American Crew, to style it a bit better. And sometimes I would use just a little bit of hairspray so that my hair will stay in place. Now just a bonus tip, start to use volumizing shampoo and conditioner for your hair as well. I will add all the products I personally like in the video description for you to check out. Now, if you want to check out my personal skincare routine, check out this video here and I'll see you there. And before you go, always remember, life is short, so don't waste yours. Cheers, guys.